Velkommen tillbaka till kanalen min. Today I'm going to teach you how to introduce yourself in Norwegian using simple, beginner-friendly phrases. If you're just starting your journey with Norsk, this video is perfect for you. Let's get started. Let's begin with the most basic greeting. Hey! It means hi or hello. God dag, which means good day. To say, my name is, you say, jag heter, your name. Jag heter Anna. My name is Anna. You can also say, mitt navn är Anna. This is more formal, meaning my name is Anna. To say where you're from. Jag kommer fra country. I come from country. Examples. Jag kommer fra Japan. Jag kommer fra Kenya. Jag kommer fra USA. If you want to say the city. Jag bor i city. I live in city. If you want to share your age. Jeg er 25 år gammel. I am 25 years old. What language you speak? Jeg snakker engelsk. I speak English. Jeg lærer norsk. I am learning Norwegian. Say, putting it all together.
Hej, jeg heter Anna. Jeg kommer fra Kenya. Jeg bor i Oslo. Jeg er 25 år gammel. Jeg snakker engelsk, og jeg lærer norsk.
Easy, right? Great job! That's how you introduce yourself in Norwegian. Practice in the comments. Write your introduction in Norwegian below, and I'll help correct it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more daily Norwegian lessons. See you in the next video. Ha det bra!